Let's work through an example of calculating zero slope using ordered pairs. Solve for the slope of the line that passes through 5291 and 6591. First, label the x and y values. The first ordered pair is labeled x sub 1, y sub 1. The second ordered pair is labeled x sub 2, y sub 2. Next, substitute the x and y values into the slope formula. The slope formula is the change in y divided by the change in x. Slope equals y sub 2 subtract y sub 1 divided by x sub 2 subtract x sub 1. The slope of this line equals 91 subtract 91 divided by 65 subtract 52. Last, solve for the slope. 91 subtract 91 equals 0. 65 subtract 52 equals 13. 0 divided by 13 equals 0. The slope of this line is 0. Feel free to drop your comments and questions below. If you liked this video, please click like and subscribe to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching!